425 species in genus Eragrostis. March 31st. Eragrostis, the lovegrass, defines March 31st. Eragrostis symbolizes connection and adaptability. You have a natural ability to form meaningful bonds and thrive in diverse environments. Like the delicate tufts of lovegrass, you bring lightness and charm to those around you, creating a sense of unity and harmony. Lovegrass, a deep dive with Ferb Vu. My fascination with the plant world started young, with the vibrant colors and diverse forms captivating my imagination. Among the many genera that have piqued my interest, Eragrostis, commonly known as lovegrass, holds a special place. This diverse genus of grasses belong to the Poaceae family, with its delicate beauty and ecological significance, offers a fascinating glimpse into the intricate world of botany. Understanding the Eragrostis genus. The name Eragrostis originates from the Greek words eros, love, and agrostis, grass, a fitting name for this graceful and often overlooked genus. Love grasses are characterized by their open, airy panicles, composed of numerous small spikelets. These spikelets, often tinged with purple or red hues, give the plant a delicate, almost ethereal appearance. The leaves are typically long and narrow, and the plants themselves can range in size from diminutive species just a few inches tall to robust varieties reaching several feet in height. Love grasses are incredibly adaptable, thriving in a wide range of habitats, from arid deserts and rocky slopes to fertile meadows and wetlands. This resilience has made them a successful group, with over 400 species distributed across the globe. They play a crucial role in their respective ecosystems, providing food and shelter for various animals, stabilizing soil, and contributing to the overall biodiversity of their environments. A diverse family, Eragrostis species. The sheer diversity within the Eragrostis genus is astounding. See full list at monsteraholic.com. The importance of lovegrass. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, lovegrasses play a significant role in both ecological and economic contexts. Ecological importance. Lovegrasses are an important food source for many animals, including birds, small mammals, and grazing livestock. They also help to prevent soil erosion, stabilize sand dunes, and provide habitat for various insects and other invertebrates. Economic importance. Some species, like teff, are cultivated as grain crops, providing sustenance for millions of people. Others are used for forage, erosion control, and even in the production of biofuels. However, it's important to note that some Eragrostis species can also be invasive, outcompeting native plants and disrupting ecosystems. Understanding the potential impacts of different lovegrass species is crucial for responsible land management and conservation efforts. My continued fascination. My exploration of the Eragrostis genus is an ongoing journey. I am continually amazed by the diversity and adaptability of these grasses, and I am eager to learn more about their ecological roles and potential uses. Whether I'm admiring the delicate beauty of a wild lovegrass meadow or delving into the scientific literature on their genetic diversity, my fascination with this remarkable genus only deepens with time. I believe that fostering an appreciation for the plant world, including often overlooked species like lovegrasses, is essential for promoting environmental awareness and conservation. By understanding the intricate connections within our ecosystems, we can better appreciate the delicate balance of nature and work towards a more sustainable future.